After years of buying expensive gear as sound mixers, we decided we had had enough. So we created a new microphone company. A company launched by the very people that use microphones. A company that lives and breathes audio. Until now, quality microphones were too large of an investment for the average filmmaker. And with microphones, there's a law of diminishing return with what you get versus what you pay for. But at Deity, we think good audio equipment shouldn't break the bank. And to prove that to the world, a true workhorse microphone for the film industry. Introducing the SMic2. We redesigned the circuit to have a quieter self-noise, allowing you to record cleaner, quieter sounds, even at high levels of gain. And coming in at 12.5 dBi, we match the noise floor of many competitors. We also upgraded the true condenser microphone capsule to a richer, warmer sounding capsule to give you fuller sound quality that will bring your film. If you're doing an interview and the person can't sit still, your camera operator will have a bad day, but your sound thinks sounds good. And if you're wondering what the SMic2 sounds like, well, you've been listening to it this